Guys, welcome back to Success Bench channel. Today I'm going to discuss about bitwise operator. In previous video I was explained about arithmetic operator and relational operator. So you can watch. I will I will share the link in description. Let me start bitwise operator and that symbols. This is the and bitwise and this is the bitwise or and bitwise XOR and bitwise not and or complement and right and shift, bitwise right and shift, bitwise left and shift. So in this video only I will explain about the logical operators. Only there are three types, so I will explain. And logical operator and or logical operator and not logical operator. Next operator is assignment operator. So what is the meaning of assignment operator? This is the equal symbol. This is the assignment operator. You can use this operator to assign the values here. Plus you can use any way, any types of assignment using this equal. Addition equal, subtraction equal, modulus equal, percentage equal, less than or equal, like this. This is the example. A plus equal to B. You can assign A equal to A plus B. A minus equal to B, A equal to A minus B. A multiplication equal to B, this represent A equal to A into B. So like this, these assignments operators are assign the values. So let us stop here. If you really understood my session, like my session and subscribe to my channel Success Bench. Thank you.